Hi, I'm Laura. I will be attempting a through hike of the Appalachian Trail in 2023. A few weeks back, I made a video discussing my training plan for the Appalachian Trail, what I'm going to be doing to get physically prepared to hike 2,000 plus miles all the way from Georgia to Maine. If you haven't watched that video, definitely check out the description down below. Today, I'm gonna be giving you guys a check-in to just kind of show you in action how things are going as far as my training, sharing with you guys a full week of training, what I'm doing. So without further ado, here is a week of physical training for the Appalachian Trail. So yesterday was Sunday and I had my long run for my training. As you guys know, Sunday is my long run day. I had 9 miles of tempo run and boy, was it lovely out. It was nice and cool. I hit all my paces that I was supposed to hit. Man, that never happens in South Florida. But because I was pushing it so hard, I am in desperate need of a nice, relaxing, restorative yoga day. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm just gonna throw on a quick video on the TV or on my phone and just do a nice restorative yoga on this Monday afternoon after work. So it is now Tuesday and I have to run 3 miles. It is a relaxed pace, so it should be fairly easy. And then I'm going to head to the gym just to do a few leg exercises, nothing crazy, not trying to kill my legs. Okay, hi everyone. So, not gonna lie, cat's eating. Also not gonna lie, it's Thursday. Hence the cricket noises on Wednesday. I had an interesting day at work yesterday and I just, wasn't feeling working out. I should have done it, especially since I'm filming this week. If you guys used to watch my channel when it was about teaching, then you know I have an interesting career and I have interesting thoughts on my interesting career, and that's all I'll say about that. I did not feel like working out yesterday. Probably should have, but I didn't. So today, to make up for that, I have a 4-mile interval run. And after I typically will work out in the gym and do some weights. Yesterday I was supposed to do back, bicep, and abs. So I'm gonna do that today instead of doing my normal lifting that I normally do today. And then the normal lifting that I normally do, which is chest and tris on Thursdays, I'm just going to pair up with my Saturday weightlifting session, which is shoulders. So that kind of all ties in together anyways. I don't understand why you're thinking of me. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're thinking of me. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're Hello everybody, it's Friday, TGIF. So it was a very long work day and I am just ready to relax, but today is rest day. But I like to at least foam roll on Fridays because I do have 2 more runs in this weekend. To do a Saturday run, and then you guys know I typically do a Sunday long run, or I always do a Sunday long run. So I'm gonna get some foam rolling done today and then I will catch y'all on Saturday morning. as you can see, I ran my 2 miles this morning, and then I tried to get into the gym and it was actually locked. So I showered up, came home, and figured I would just go do my tricep, chest, and shoulders later today. So hopefully the gym will open and it's not closed for good or something, or like closed for renovation. So if you're seeing me working out right now, that's probably because it opened. So yay.